ChatGPT is a type of artificial intelligence model developed by OpenAI. It is a deep learning model that is designed to generate human-like text, allowing it to perform a wide range of language tasks. Now, I didn't write that. That's how the popular AI chatbot GPT Chat describes itself. Let's take a look at another question that we've asked the bot. What's the capital of Germany? That would seem to be an easy one. And there, it gets the answer right, but then it keeps going. All right, how about another one? What's the best classic rock band? That's, of course, subjective, and as you see, the bot also says the same thing. That's a very subjective question. What about something more specific? The most interesting thing about eagles, for example. And now we see there's a very long list of really interesting facts, from binocular vision to how they catch and kill prey. Good enough, it seems, for your next school project. Well, ChatGPT isn't just a fun tool, it's popular as well. In just a few days, the website has more than 1 million users, all of them having created a login. And that's a bit of pressure for the Googles of the world. And then there's the bigger question. Is AI closer to being able to do my job, or even your job? I'm joined now by Nicole Büttner. She's co-founder and CEO of Merantix Lab. That's a tech consulting firm here in Berlin with a focus on AI. Nicole, it's good to have you on the show. This chatbot seems to have very normal-sounding answers. Where is it really good, and where does it actually struggle?
Good morning, and yeah, I think it's really solving an engineer's dream of having natural language as an input and an output, so you don't have to have keywords or code, but it's a very seamless interaction. I think that's also proof what you're just saying, that a lot of people have been using this interface. I think it is pushing us on with regards to intelligence, right? What do we see as intelligence? As you said, generating text, is that what we see as intelligence or not? But I think on the counter side, the limitations are still factual correctness, for example. So this model is not able to solve the problem of factual correctness. It can quote also completely false information.
Yeah, there's one example we have here. One question that fools it is, which mammals lay the biggest eggs? It gives the answer of the elephant. So obviously there's some mistakes there. I want to ask you, a new report in the New York Times says that this bot is setting off alarm bells at Google and other tech firms that have maybe been developing their own chatbots but haven't yet rolled them out. Should we expect now to see a wave of these?
I think generative AI is now really hitting the hype cycle. So yes, I expect that there will be many startups, but also bigger tech companies rolling these out. I think what I personally find very interesting, because we're looking also at industrial adoption. So for deep industry use cases, right? This will, I think, take a lot longer, because the data that is needed to generate applications in that field is basically behind walls, right? In the industrial realm, somewhere sitting in a company. So I think, yes, we will see more with publicly available data like ChatGPT, but in the industrial realm, I think that will take longer.
Okay, so this means that businesses and workers shouldn't, I should say workers shouldn't be too afraid yet, businesses shouldn't get too excited yet, or is there an immediate application that businesses can see in this?
I think actually two thoughts. One is robotics and manual labor have been, I think, a lot safer in that regard, because robotics is moving a lot slower than we had anticipated. So there will be a lot of blue-collar jobs and frontline worker jobs that will be much harder to replace by any such models. However, you were asking the question about journalism, right? Or generating text, I think, will be very different, right? So I don't think journalists will be obsolete, because factual correctness is important. And also generating truly original ideas will remain important in the future. But for sure, there will be many questions about summarizing text, like writing minutes, right? That could be done by this application.
Nicole Büttner with tech consulting firm Merantix Labs. Thank you very much.
Thank you.